राम राम सभी को। जय श्री कृष्ण। ओम नमः शिवाय।
In this video, we will learn how to practice Adho Merudanda Mudra. First, we need to sit in Padmasana. Now we will make different hand gesture to make Adho Merudanda Mudra. Bring your hand in front of you. Fold your all fingers inside your palm. Index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, keeping your thumb straight outside, and palm facing towards ground. Things to notice while doing Adho Merudanda Mudra to avoid mistakes. Fold your all fingers inside your palm. Index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, keeping your thumb straight outside, and palm facing towards ground and thumbs pointing each other. And place your both hands on your knees. Now you are ready to do meditation in Adho Merudanda Mudra. Now let's talk about the benefits of doing Adho Merudanda Mudra. Directs energy downwards along the spine, promoting grounding and stability. Helps in centering the mind and calming the nervous system. Balances the downward flow of energy upon in the body, essential for elimination and detoxification. Reduces stress and tension, promoting relaxation and well-being. Now you have learned Adho Merudanda Mudra.
If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family.